Hey, what's up, explorers? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Before we begin, let's give a shout out to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day. For those who do not know me, my name is Tyler Snyder, lead investigator of the Explorers of the Unexplained. Let's give a shout out to our admin team for the Facebook group. You guys are awesome, kicking ass as always, and definitely appreciated. Let's give a shout out to our partnerships, Bill Inslee with Inslee Racing and Rillick Inc. with the books. Definitely appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for your support. And explorers, let's give a shout out to you. Thank you guys for watching. Truly appreciate it. We truly appreciate the love and support that you have shown over the years and continuing. Alright, so I waited for this video for a Mother's Day special. Again, happy Mother's Day, everyone. Before we begin the video, please leave a like on the video, big old thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't, guys. Good 70% is not subscribed to the channel. I appreciate those watching, but we really need you to subscribe. Stick around, we got a lot to come. And I thought this would be a really interesting video for those who like this particular sort of adventuring, I should say, or exploring. But how many like to go out and hit the unusual shops? You know, like places that sell just odds and ends, things you wouldn't really expect. You know, you're kind of antique shopping. I personally love shopping like that. Yard sale, garage sale, antique stores, thrift stores, anything like that. Like, you never know what you're going to find. And sometimes that is one of the greatest things for paranormal and in our community, because you can find equipment pieces, equipment. I find stuff to make equipment, and I look for like haunted objects, old stuff, antiques, anything that really calls out, and then I'll get home and toy with it, tinker with it, and try to catch something. I mean, it's fun. I love it. I love doing it, and this time, this particular shop had a certain item that I was just jaw dropped on. I could not. I almost lost it. So, let's dig in, guys. Be sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe, notify, stick around, and let's see what's in these boxes. Alright, guys. So, I was in a local Goodwill the other day, and I found these boxes. They were just chilling on the bottom shelf with the letter on it, just like that. I mean, the letter was open. But yeah, just these boxes, right? Look like kind of ordinary boxes until you read the top. And that really got me. When I read the top, I was like, what the hell is this? And I didn't even open it because it isn't nailed shut. But it does look like they have opened it. Maybe nailed it back shut, because there's some nails in it. But when I read this top, I almost lost it. I was like, wait a minute. I was like, I gotta buy this. And the best part, it was like $20-something. I was like, for both boxes? I was like, oh, this can't be right. So look, Natural History Museum, South Kensington. Yeah. Artifact number, site, steam yacht alert, ceremonial piece. That part really got me. When I'd seen that, I was like, what the hell is this? A material stone unknown? This specimen box contains fragile samples. Do not store under conditions or high humidity or extreme temperatures above or below 50 degrees. So yeah, that's the first box. And it was pretty heavy, pretty weighty. This one, that's what that one says, and there was no really description on this box, just kind of a nice box, but it looks like it slides. But again, I have not opened these boxes yet. I have waited for you, explorers, and today we are going to open them and dig in, and I'm super excited, so let's do this. We got our tools, we got a screwdriver and a hammer, so we can use the flip side if we need. Let's read this letter real quick, and this will blow your mind. So yeah, when I pulled the letter out and started reading this, I was just like, what the hell did I just find? I was geeked. I was absolutely geeked. I was losing it. But then I read the letter, and it was even more convincing, and I had to have it. Had to have it. So look at this. Got this nice little letter here. Well typed up. Professional. Alright, so let's read it. It says, "The Mysterious Package Company, keepers of rare artifacts, chroniclers of strange materials and mysteries. Dear," it's got the name scratched out, "I send this package to you with a sense of unease. Although your references are sterling and have been long with the NPC's mission to distribute, sorry about that, obscure mysteries, in this case might be better not to know. For after such knowledge, where can we find forgiveness? The tale told by the documents within this crate will emerge soon enough. Should you remain committed to such dark learning, but still I will pass on a few details which might help your investigation or even guard you from danger." That right there, my investigation, it's like, I was like, oh my god, it's like calling to me. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the big box first, the one with the tag on it that has information. Let's see what is inside this. Now, Cthulhu is a mystical creature, a legend of the sea, supposedly a god. I don't know if you guys know too much about Cthulhu, but that's basically what he is. And I'm taking it inside this is a stone of some kind of ceremonial piece that goes to Cthulhu. So, let's open it up, guys. Let's see what's in this. So honestly, I think I could just open it like this. Maybe not. Oh boy. Yeah, that didn't work. Alright, time to get the tools. Take our screwdriver here. Alright guys, so let's open this on up. Oh, there we go. Wow. That's the tin can they were talking about. Oh, I see the statue. There's the statue. Looks pretty cool. That's just like the feet, I guess. Oh, I see him. I see him. Okay. So this must be the tin can. That was oh, look at that. Wow. Alright, so let's get some light up in there. Alright, so this is the tin can. Very, very old. Nice, nice. Let's go ahead and open it. Wow. So yeah, they definitely made it look very old. That's really cool. Oh wow. March 22nd, 1925. Nice, nice. So it's got a little bit of a backstory, looks like, to the crate. That's awesome. Wow, there's a lot. Heck yeah. That is really cool. So it's definitely got some backstory. Cool. So yeah, I'll post these at the end of the video so you guys can read them. I won't take too much time and read them all, but that is really cool. Got some backstory. And I'm taking it that backstory is going to tell us about this. But we are just going to unwrap. Oh, nice, nice, nice. That's pretty cool. Wow. Look at that, guys. That is nice. And it does have some weight to it. Carved stone. That is Cthulhu. Very cool. Very, very cool. I like that a lot. So we got the tablet. Some kind of tablet piece. Look at the dust just falling off. What is this? The Eastern Lines of Comments from You. Wow. Nice. So a lot of little backstory and pieces here, guys. Like, this is what the package company has to offer now. This is awesome. Like, they did so much work to make this look so authentic. Like, look at that. Looks like it came straight from a newspaper. So that is Thurston. That's the guy who had the heart lesion. That's our guy right there. Had this statue. And obviously it was a very bad thing for him, because he didn't make it. Blasphemous painting raises eyebrows at Spring Salon in Paris. Nice. California cult-like colony causes chaos. Like, they did really good, guys. This is a lot of work. And to give you, you know, that adrenaline rush when you get it is awesome. Like, I could imagine buying something off them and just receiving it. I would totally be psyched. Mysterious delight found at sea. Nice. Odd idol found in his possession. Nice. Very cool. Like, they really did a lot of work. Look at that. Look how old it looks. Well done. Well done, guys. Very cool. Very cool. And that's just a tin can. And this thing is awesome. The tablet. That's very cool. Very, very cool. Alright, so that's the tin can that was recovered from him. Put that on that side. Let's dig in, guys. What we got here? What is this? I'm not going to touch it because I don't know what it is. That's a coin. Wow, that is sweet. See what it says? In his house at Arlay Dead, Cthulhu waits dreaming. Wow. Look at that. Look how nice that is. Does got some weight. Cthulhu on the front. Very cool. It says the same thing, I think. No, I have no idea what it says. I can't read that. Very cool. Very cool. I like that coin. That is nice. But pretty hefty. I think that's the only thing in there. Alright. So we got a coin. And again, just for those items alone, like, I paid like $25 for this whole crate. And not even including the other one. Like, that's pretty good. That statue is awesome. I'm scared to touch this stuff, man. I don't know what's under there. Okay, there's nothing in this. Wow. Look at that. I'm scared to dig in this. I don't like stuff like this. You never know what you're going to pull out. Damn, that's a big statue, guys. Look at that. I will say, if you might want to wear like a dust mask or something, because this stuff is like just floating up right in my face. Like, good job, company. I get it, but oh my goodness, this statue is really heavy. Alright, so we gotta take this stuff out, guys. This fake straw stuff. That's gonna be fun. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. Cthulhu, everyone. That is super sweet. That is super sweet. Very heavy. Very, very heavy. That's where all the weight comes from for the box. Jeez. Shake it on off. There you have it. Cthulhu. Look at that. Look at those wings. Massive wings. Like, come on. You can't tell me that ain't awesome. And I found this at a Goodwill, guys. Just chilling on the bottom shelf. Had to have it. Absolutely had to have it. That is really cool. Look at this. We got more. Alright, these are just to keep it safe. See, that's how you know this thing ain't from like I mean, come on, guys. But great job, company. It's amazing. You guys did so good. Now, definitely look forward to buying from you guys. Can't wait to see what all you guys have. Oh, I don't even want to knot this. This is so nice. Let's check out these papers. See what it says. Let's take a yonder into it real quick. Oh, it's a book.